Hi guys, welcome to this video. And on this video, I want to show you how you can verify your Adcash account so you can use it for arbitrage business. So on my other video, I showed you a step on how you can buy euro on the Adcash platform and sell on Binance and make over 40 naira profits per $1. Okay, so the first step I said, but I didn't demonstrate that step. So right now I want to demonstrate the step bit by bit in this video. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel right now, kindly subscribe to this video because I'm about to demonstrate everything step by step. So let's say you have registered an account, this is a fresh account. Um, you go, you click on sign up, you put your email, your first name, last name, your email address, and a password. Then it will get you to this page. So as you can see, this is my email address, and it just shows me that I just logged in right now. Okay, so you can see. So all I will need to do is that, okay, after that, I also need to verify my email. Okay, so you can see I'm just trying to start a fresh account for this very purpose. So the first thing I will do is to go, I just post my SMS verification. So I will live here, I will go and click to send my SMS so I can verify for SMS version. You know, I need to verify for both email and SMS. Okay. But let's say I do cancel, okay, just watch. So I'll just put my phone line here and I click on send code, okay? Okay, so it's like I made some errors here. So let me simply do something, okay? So once you log in, the next thing to do is to verify your account. So this is what I'm trying to do, guys. So this side is for ID card. So what I will simply do is that I will use my international passport. Okay. So I will just do so I may not do this live on the video. I just want to do the little ones I can do. But firstly, you need to, I don't think my laptop screen is so clear yet to do my visual verification. But let's see. Um then I'll have to use my phone if it doesn't really work fine. As you can see, it can't really get me so well, but let's just see how it goes. And so you need to use, you can use your phone to do this, guys. So you can get awesome value from this, just like your Binance account. Okay, so the next thing to do is the phone side, like I said, the phone side that let me just try and log in and log out. All right. All right. So because once you verified, the first thing to do again is that before you start buying euros, you have to also transact up to $1 or €1, so you can know the current rates before you buy for bulk purchase. Okay. So live here is still the same thing. I may not do that in front of you, but I'm going to demonstrate the arbitrary in front of you. If not now, but my next video. Let me just see how fast I can verify this. Um, I'll go on my account. Yes, click on verification, and let me just see the one right now. So I'll simply use this stuff. Okay. So let's see how fast SMS comes in on my phone. Okay. So SMS has already come in. So let me go here right now and just okay. So 72759 7. Okay. Okay, so I click on verify. Okay, so my phone number now is My phone number now is verified. So the next thing I go for is my ID. And one of the things I want to go for firstly is for this because laptop screen will not be so clear. But let me see how it goes. Okay. So I'll just click on identity document and continue. All right. Let's see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, I'll likely turn off to using my I'll likely turn off to using my um I'll likely turn off to using my screen. Either I'll use my phone for this rather than using my laptop. Okay, but it's taking time because it's my laptop that I'm using. All right. So maybe I'll pause this video and do it later. So that's just it. I will verify my face, then I'll upload a document. Likely I'll use my national passport. You can also use your name, your voter's card and all that. Okay. Okay, guys. So after that, the next thing you do is you click on create card. This side that or create card. Okay, so click on create card and remember that when you load your card, there's a 1.75 transaction fee. Okay, so click on load card and again the side we need to load is this. Okay. So you load this particular card here. So once you load your card, remember that you get euros from that card, and once you get euros from that card, you go on Binance and use the Advcash platform to sell. Okay, but this video is just to help you know how to verify your advanced cash account. You can see these ones are not, these are the ones we can use. These ones here and these ones here. Okay, so this is the one we use for Binance accounts. Okay, this is not really what we use for now. What we are doing now is that we're going to add funds to account, like to buying funds. Okay, okay, like you're trying to deposit. Yeah, okay. So once you click on deposit, you're not trying to get their card, likely you just try to deposit. So it's when you have verified that you can do all that. So remember that once you verify, you go here and can use you. Once you transact, your funds will be stored in the system. And remember that the verification that was left for me was the facial verification, which I can do live before you and to upload my document. So it verifies instantly. So I'll just take a minute and upload this video right now for you to see. Then the next video I'll post is when I'm live doing this. So if you are expecting this video, kindly comment I am expecting it. Remember that with the advanced cash strategy, I can show you how you can even add up to 10 cards and how you can make up to 6 figure monthly just by doing this simple stuff I'm going to share with you. Okay, guys, so if you got value from those video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. So and also there's a referral program that happens with this. Okay, so you can also take advantage of the referral program, and also you can sign up on that Ask Cash using the referral link I'll post on this video, so to help you reduce your transaction fee on the platform. Okay, so guys, on my next video, by the time I verify my account, I'll just demonstrate live for this. I'll buy dollar and I'll transact on Binance. I'll calculate the profits together, and I like you to stay hooked on that video because the video will come up tomorrow evening. That's the 1st of July. All right, for now, see you on my next video. Thank you so much for staying true so far. I love you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you guys at the best of life. Thank you.